Hello friends, in this video I want to show you how to install the AUA framework. The process of installation is pretty simple and includes two steps. First, customizing the connection string and then generating the database. For this purpose you need to open the app settings, which is located in Web API project. I mean here. In the AUA, the app settings have designed for 3 environments, and for now we need to manipulate the development one. So here I just want to customize the name of the database. After that it's time to use the package manager console. Well, before entering the commands here, make sure to put the default project on data layer. Well, before updating, let me check the SQL server. As you can see, there are just 2 databases, and now updating the database. Well, let me check the SQL server again. Perfect. As you see, generating the database has been successful. Well, in the next video I will explain these tables. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next video.